Amazon Web Services Free Tier is a program that allows anyone to learn and experiment with cloud computing without spending money. It provides free access to a wide range of AWS services, making it perfect for students, developers, and anyone curious about cloud technology. Whether you want to build your first web application, learn about databases, or understand how cloud infrastructure works, the free tier gives you hands-on experience with real AWS services. The AWS Free Tier serves three main purposes. First, it helps you learn by providing hands-on practice with actual AWS services in a real cloud environment. Second, it allows you to experiment freely, testing ideas and building cloud applications without worrying about costs. Third, it offers free access with no upfront costs or long-term commitments, meaning you can start today with just an email address and payment method for verification. AWS organizes its free tier into three distinct categories. The 12 months free offer starts from your account creation date and lasts for your first year. This gives you a full year to explore popular services like EC2 and S3. The always free category includes services that remain free forever for all users, with no expiration date. Finally, trials offer short-term free access to specific services, typically ranging from a few days to a few months, allowing you to test specialized tools before committing. The 12-month free tier includes some of AWS's most popular services. EC2, or Elastic Compute Cloud, gives you 750 hours per month of T2 micro or T3 micro instances, which is enough to run one small virtual server continuously. S3 provides 5 gigabytes of standard storage for your files and data. RDS, the Relational Database Service, offers 750 hours per month of database instances. Lambda, the serverless computing service, includes 1 million free requests every month, perfect for building modern applications. Several AWS services remain free indefinitely. DynamoDB, a NoSQL database, provides 25 gigabytes of storage along with 25 read and write capacity units permanently. CloudWatch, the monitoring service, includes 10 custom metrics and 10 alarms to track your resources. SNS, or Simple Notification Service, offers 1 million publishes per month for sending notifications. SQS, the Simple Queue Service, provides 1 million requests monthly for message queuing between applications. Trial offers give you temporary access to specialized services. SageMaker, AWS's machine learning platform, includes a 2-month trial with 250 hours of MLT3 medium instances. Inspector offers a 15-day trial for vulnerability scanning and security assessments. GuardDuty provides a 30-day trial for intelligent threat detection and continuous security monitoring. Lightsail, a simplified cloud platform, gives you 3 months with 750 hours of selected bundles, making it easy to launch simple applications. Understanding the limitations is crucial to avoid unexpected charges. Usage limits are strictly enforced, and exceeding your monthly allowances will trigger standard AWS charges. Region restrictions apply to some services, meaning they're only available in specific AWS regions around the world. Time expiration is important to remember, as 12-month offers end after your first year, and you'll start paying standard rates. A credit card is required for account creation, even though you won't be charged if you stay within free tier limits. Following best practices helps you maximize the free tier safely. Monitor your usage regularly through the AWS billing dashboard to see exactly what resources you're consuming. Set billing alarms using CloudWatch to receive alerts if you approach or exceed free tier limits, preventing surprise charges. Delete resources you're no longer using, such as stopped instances or old storage, because even stopped resources can incur costs. Read the documentation carefully to understand the exact limits for each service, as they vary significantly. Many beginners fall into common traps that result in unexpected charges. Running instances 24/7 is a frequent mistake because 750 hours equals 31 days for one instance, not multiple instances running simultaneously. Data transfer costs can add up quickly, as outbound data transfer and cross-region transfers are charged even within the free tier. Using non-free tier resources, such as the wrong instance types or storage classes, will immediately incur charges, so always verify you're using eligible resources. Getting started with AWS Free Tier is straightforward. First, create an AWS account using a valid email address and payment method for identity verification. Next, choose services that fit within free tier limits by checking the AWS Free Tier page for current offerings. Then, start building and learning cloud skills immediately with hands-on projects and tutorials. Finally, monitor your usage regularly through the billing dashboard to ensure you stay within free limits and avoid any unexpected charges. The free tier is an excellent way to begin your cloud computing journey.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.